Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Tell your sisters about the picnic.
Okay, I think it is going to get hot later today.
That's good. It will be a good day for a swim in the lake.
I'll tell Cindy and Allison to wear their swimsuits.
Don't forget to pack your life jackets, too.
Okay, will Andy be joining us?
Of course your brother will be joining us. Where is he?
He's taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
You can wake him up. I'll get my sisters.
Andy, wake up. We're going to the lake.
Hey, Kevin, do you want to try the new diner down the street?
Sure. I hear they have really good food, especially their omelets.
Susan went there last weekend and said it was the best breakfast place in town.
Yeah, I heard the same thing from Janet. She waited an hour for a table.
I don't think I can wait an hour. I'm hungry right now.
Do you want to make breakfast at home?
Okay, what do you want to eat?
I'd like a ham and cheese omelet.
That sounds good. Do we have all the ingredients?
Well, we only need eggs, ham, and cheese.
I think we may be out of ham. I used the last few slices for a sandwich yesterday.
Okay, how about a vegetable omelet?
That's good too. We have green peppers, mushrooms, and onions.
That's perfect.
Great. I'll brew some coffee, and you make the omelet.
I don't know how to make an omelet.
You don't? Well, I don't either.
Let's just go to the new diner.
That sounds like a better plan.